Hello and welcome to Business Inside File, and today I will be giving you 9 money saving tips. Number 1. Create a budget plan for yourself. Record your expenses and income. Keep track of your budget plan to see your saving progress. Number 2. Question yourself before you buy. Do I want it or do I need it? Focus on what you actually need instead of being driven by what you just want. Number 3. Avoid impulsive buying. Think about it before you buy. Immediate purchases can be impulsive and can lead to overspending. Wait and think about it. Always compare prices. Look for sales and discounts. You can find them online, so do your research. Number 5. Do it yourself. By cooking your own food instead of frequently eating out. Other do-it-yourself includes pet grooming, growing your own vegetables, cutting your own hair, and washing your car. Have separate bank accounts. Have an account only for your savings. Have another account which you use for your expenses. This keeps you accountable and prevents you from living outside your means. Filter your subscriptions. Get rid of subscriptions you actually don't need, such as online subscriptions. By doing this, you will be saving money by not having subscriptions you no longer need or use. Use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash gives you actual awareness when spending. Credit cards make it easy for you to believe you always have money to spend by just swiping. Keep your receipts. Keeping your receipts allows you to check your purchases. It can alert you of being charged for something you didn't buy. Thank you for joining Business Inside File. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts for new content. Until next time.